Thank you for returning back to my tutorial class. In the previous video, we have learned to construct 60-degree angle. Today, I'll help you out in constructing 30-degree angle. Dear learners, to draw 30-degree angle, first we need to draw 60 degree. So let's start. First of all you need to do is draw a line of any length with the support of a scale. Let us give the name of the line as PQ. Now take the compass and keep the tip of the compass at one point. Suppose at P. Draw an arc rotating the compass in this manner. Now, without disturbing the distance between the compass and the pencil, keep the tip of the compass at this intersecting point and cut at the previous arc you have drawn. As you can see on the screen, let us name the first intersecting point on the line PQ as R and the intersecting point on the arc as S. Take the compass and draw the arc again from the point R and from the point S. And point out the intersecting point. Remove the compass. Use the scale again and join the point P and the intersecting point that you have recently constructed, as you can see on the video. So joining this point, we will get the required angle, that is 30 degree. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and share with your friends. If you like the video, see you soon.